Hello everyone, I'm back with another recipe. Today I'm making a very easy shrimp and grits dish. So we're just going to start off with about 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil, and then I'll be adding the grits to that. I would just go by the instructions on the packaging as far as the measurements go. I think it's 1 cup of water to 1/4 cup of grits. So I'm just going to add about a half a teaspoon of salt and some pepper and about 2 tablespoons of butter to that, and I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes. While my grits are on, I'm going to shred the cheese, and I'm using the smoked Gouda cheese. I hope that's the correct way to pronounce that, but yeah, I'm going to shred about a half a cup of that cheese, and I'll be adding that to the pot of grits once the grits are done cooking. And that's all I do with the grits as far as that goes. I don't add anything else to that. So now I'm going to go back to the grits, and they do have a few lumps in them. So I just take a wire whisk and kind of whisk it out a little bit, and it takes care of the lumps. And then I'll add my cheese and give it another stir, and I'm just going to put a lid back on that and set that off to the side. So now I'm going to work on my shrimp. So I'm just going to season the shrimp with some Creole seasoning, some garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and some Old Bay seasoning, and stir that around a little bit. And also I just added a little oil to the pan, olive oil to the pan, and I'm going to saute some chopped onions because I'll be adding that to the sauce later. I'm just going to saute the shrimp until they start to turn pink. And I did kind of walk away from the pan, so I left it on a little bit longer than I normally would, but once the shrimp are done, I'm going to remove them from the pan, and I'll be starting on the gravy. So I pretty much kind of do all my gravies the same way. I do the flour, just maybe like a tablespoon and a half of flour, and I'm going to whisk that around a little bit. I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil. Whisk that around a little bit and let it get just a little darker. And I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of chicken broth to that. And then I'll be adding about 1/3 cup of half and half as well. I'm going to add my onions back over in there and put my seasonings in, and that will be garlic powders, a little bit of Badia complete seasoning, and I did add some parsley flakes as well, and some Worcester sauce, about a tablespoon of that as well. And I'll just add the shrimp back over into the pan and let it simmer for about a good 5 minutes. And you can add like some fresh garlic, like minced garlic. That's what I have used in the past. I just didn't feel like cutting up garlic, so that's why I'm using the garlic powder. But the minced garlic might be a little better for this recipe. So now I'm just going to plate everything. And if you want to saute some extra shrimp and add it to the top, this is just a single serving dish, so I didn't cook a lot of shrimp. But what I did do is I went and just sauteed a few extra shrimp and added that to the top as well. as you will see in the next photo. But that is it, guys. Thanks for watching.